Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today we're gonna cook the famous kare kare. Let's do it. This style of cooking kare kare is designed for busy people, most especially those who are working. Maybe in the morning you're preparing a breakfast and you're thinking of what you're gonna cook for dinner, but you don't have the time. Kare kare, it takes time to cook, but I will tell you the easier way of cooking it. You can do it while you are at work. So let's begin. Here are the ingredients. We have the garlic, we have the onions, we have the honeycomb, we got the beef, the buntot, okay, and vegetables. We have string beans, bochoy, eggplant, squash. We have here salt and pepper. And we're gonna add a little bit of mamacita, and we have coconut milk. We're gonna use beef broth, and we're gonna put some peanut butter, and of course we have the cooked Kamayan shrimp paste. What we're gonna do now here is we're gonna saute the meat for just 5 minutes with onions and garlic and fish sauce and with olive oil, just for 5 minutes. And then after that we're gonna use the magic help here. Your magic help is this cooker, the slow cooker, crock pot. So while at work, the crock pot is cooking your meat. So when you get home, after 6 hours or 8 hours, when you get home, the meat is tender already with all the ingredients without the vegetables. So when you get home at night, just put cook the vegetables in the microwave for 5 minutes and then mix it with the cooked meat, in your cooker, slow cooker. That's it. You have already a kare kare. This will take 6 to 8 hours to cook while you are at work. So we will continue, and we can proceed to cooking now. Now we will saute the meat for just 5 minutes, okay, before we transfer it to our slow cooker. So what we're gonna do, put some oil, and then put our garlic, and then our onions, so once you saute this for 5 minutes, and then in the afternoon when you get home, you're gonna cook your vegetables for another 5 or 6 minutes. So actually your cooking time is only 10 to 15 minutes, and you have kare kare, because the meat, your slow cooker will take care of tenderizing the meat for 6 to 8 hours while you are at work. And your cooker must have a timer, so it will turn off automatically. So when you get home, it's cooked already. All right, so I think we'll put the fish sauce, just 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And then we're gonna put the meat. This is the oxtail, which is what we call beef buntot in Tagalog or in Filipino. So we'll saute this for 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. After 5 minutes, we're gonna transfer our meat to the slow cooker, just like this. Transfer it to the cooker, to the slow cooker or crock pot. So your actual time only and cooking this in the morning, if you're going to work, is only 5 minutes. And then we're gonna pour it. Put everything here. All right, and then we're gonna mix the other ingredients. This time I'll put half of a can of beef broth, probably a can and a half beef broth. Okay, and then we'll put half can of coconut milk. Okay, and then put 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Okay, don't worry, it will over time all the ingredients will be mixed good. And then you need the help of Mama SITa here. We'll put just half packet of Mama SITa Kare Kare mix, and then put a little bit of pepper here. And then this is ready to go. This is ready to heat the slow cooker. So I'll be right back. Now here's the crock pot. And like what I've told you, I have a time. This crock pot has a timer, so I'll put it. It has 4, 6, 8 hour, and 10 hour cooking time. So I will choose 6 hours, 6 or 8 hours. No, I'm sorry, 6 hours. You can choose also 8 hours if you like, so it will be real soft. But for 6 hours, I think this will be fine. So now we'll just cover it, and after 6 hours, it will stop cooking. So while you're at work, it's cooking, and when you get home, voila, kare kare is already cooked. I'll be right back with you after 6 hours. Let's check the kare kare after 6 hours. Here's the crock pot. Let's open it. Wow, it is cooked. See? Oh, this is so tender. Now, what we're gonna do is, remember the vegetables that I told you earlier that we have to cook it in a microwave for 5 or 6 minutes? Here is the veggie. All right, we're gonna mix them together, and then we're gonna transfer it into serving dish. We'll get back to you in 1 minute. Here is the finished product, kare kare with bagoong. So dinner is ready.